The BIF supply chain ensures freshness every step of the way.
The temperature is normal. Check the history on the tablet.
Right here. Everything is within the healthy range.
Bring it back slow, you're clear on the left. Watch the gate.
Pull forward slowly onto the scale now.
Everything is in order. You can proceed to the unloading bay.
Gauge is reading 40 psi.
Noted. The fans sound strong.
Keep them moving up the ramp.
Watch the gate, they're bunching up on the left.
The inventory count for the BIF shipments is off by 10% here.
Let me check the manifests against the weight logs.
I'll verify the cold storage levels.
Check the slicing speed on gauge 4.
Looks consistent. The cuts are clean. Check the flow rate on Unit 3. Looks stable now. Seeing some discoloration here.
Pull that tray aside for reinspection.
Look at the fluctuation on this batch.
Yeah, the last 3 portions were slightly overweight. Adjusting the cutoff.
Check the pressure on line 3. It's holding steady. Looks good.
The automated system is maintaining the edge perfectly.
Yes, the output quality is excellent on these stainless blades.
The temperature is stable now. We're clear for the next phase.
Confirmed. I'll prep the hopper.
The temperature on gauge 4 is holding steady at -20.
Good. Log that on the BIF sheet.
Zone 4 is stable at -28 degrees Celsius.
Acknowledged. Increasing coolant flow by 5%.
This slab here shows signs of early crystallization.
I see it. Make a note, but the rest of the pallet looks good. We are clear to move it.
The throughput on line 4 is up by 10%.
That aligns with the new calibration settings. Let's cross-reference that with the BIF data.
We're showing a temp spike near the intake.
I see it. Adjusting the cryo levels now.
The transcription will be, the throughput on line 3 is still below target.
I see it. Adjusting the robotic cadence now.
Moving this to level 6 now.
Confirmed. Head up. Bring that pallet in slowly, Tom. We need to confirm the export labels before it crosses the threshold.
The BIF Industrial Preservation System operates continuously, utilizing advanced freezing tunnels to ensure.
Watch your left side, plenty of room.
Okay, bringing it in now.
Checklist is clear on bay 4. Make sure the reefers are set to -20. Already checked, they're good to go.
Make sure they stick to the schedule through the pass.
The manifest checks out. ETA is still 1,600 hours at the depot.
I'll confirm the refrigeration levels now.
We need to stack these BIF products neatly before the inspection.
Agreed. Almost finished here.
Place the prosciutto right in the center, please.
Right here. The display looks great.
Okay. Just need to wipe the glass one more time.
check the expiry date on that batch, please.
Yeah, it's good until the 25th.
All right, put it on the top shelf behind the others.
From our refrigerated logistics centers to your table, the BIF supply chain ensures freshness every step of the way.